George Murad here, bringing you the rundown with Red Door Metro. Some of the best ways and most traditional ways to build wealth is through real estate. It's been traditionally done for hundreds of years. And one of the advantages our veterans have for their dedication and service to this country is the opportunity to receive a VA loan, which requires zero money down and a very competitive rate. Now, there's a great way that we have a program that helps veterans build wealth through real estate. And I'm gonna show you how. Veterans right now can take advantage. They can have one VA loan at a time. That's at a time, folks. Doesn't mean how many times. And with that, what we've done with many of our veteran clients is assist them with buying a home. Then after a few years, once they've built some equity in the home, they refinance the home out of the VA loan into a more traditional loan of an FHA or conventional loan program, making their VA available. Then what they'll do is create that into a rental, go on and buy a second home using their VA loan again with zero money down, and acquire their second home while keeping the first one. And then they repeat this every 2 to 3 years, building properties with zero money down. And with our negotiation skills, we can often negotiate the closing fees and costs associated where it comes out to virtually no money out of your pocket. Now, could you imagine in 10 years owning 5 properties? One of them you live in, 4 of them are income producing, and meanwhile purchasing all of them with zero money down? Well, guess what? Call us today and we'll help you get through that. That's what we do. We're there to help you. We're there to consult you and to be your advisor, not seeking opinion, but seeking counsel. And that's what we're here for our clients. Thank you for allowing the Red Door Metro team to be your doorway to better living.